Hi, puppy. Tui, how are you feeling? You got a haircut. He's still kind of looking fuzzy. Look at that little paw. How you feeling, puppy? Back at it again.
This smells amazing. Ah, it's whatever. It's just shrimp.
We're making shrimp.
You got some shrimps before, right?
Pasta, some veggies on the side, and what is going on over here?
Oh, come on, it's just seared scallops. Come on, don't do this to me.
So when are you gonna make your channel? So when you're gonna do like the cooking stuff, like I've been saying.
When I have 1 million subscribers, so all y'all
okay.
slide over to the channel, my personal channel. I'll let your boy Jermaine Richards. Y'all can leave this dump of a channel.
Oh wow, Jermaine! People already think you don't like me.
Alright, so we got Wizard Kelly in the cut. She doesn't want to show her face at the moment.
I look bad, guys. I need to get my hair done.
She's making the pasta because apparently.
That's how you know that the pasta's ready.
So that's what I was doing wrong last time.
Yeah.
I was just eating it. That's where I messed up. So this just stays here after? So we're just gonna leave this? So Symphony gasses me up on camera, and then when it turns out, she's like, you probably shouldn't have done this. You probably shouldn't have done that. So she was getting at my ass.
I was just saying that you probably should have let the shrimp sit out, like be the last thing, but it's okay.
It's all good, right?
It's all good. It's all good.
No, because just like Gordon Ramsay's doing this thing, like nobody.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you're Gordon Ramsay now. Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
He's trying to catch up to me still, but I'm just like, can't catch me type shit.
Right now, Dwayne is doing some scallop situation. Got some already cooked right here, and he's scared to get popped.
I'm not scared of this. Very, 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 very cautious. Voila! Here's what you get when you do all that. It's years of dedication and hard work and perseverance. This is what you get. Pot of seafood, tomato sauce and shit. But what I tell y'all last time, cooking is only how many percent? I said
90%.
Cooking is only.
No, sorry, you said 10%.
Cooking is only 10%. The rest is presentation. Y'all just follow me over here real quick, because you notice I did what's called the birdness. I call it that, and I've never heard anyone else call it that. I'm just feeling the birdness. Oh shit, spilling out. Fuck! Feed the birds. Feed the birds. Shh. Oh fuck. Okay. Turn off. Boom, check me out. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Come on. Come on, it's whatever. I might protrude my own hornets. Shut up, I'm cooking. Boom, can it get prettier? Of course it can. Garnishments. Parsley for Instagram. Look at me. That's it. So you thought it was over? Oh yeah, right. Yeah, right. I'm putting black pepper on it. Not bad. Not bad at all.
So right now Jermaine is getting his hair braided. Look how big his hair is, guys. My mom's doing his hair. Who's next?
Yeah, serious, bro, man. That's crazy.
Hey guys, so today is Monday. Monday. I am on my way to get my second round of, I wouldn't even say it's body contouring. I would say more like fat melting. I wouldn't say it's cool sculpting, which I'm actually kind of looking more so into, just 'cause I feel like it'll actually have more of a better effect on my stomach area, and just, you know, overall, like I just really want to get that tight. And I know some of you guys are like, oh, just go to the gym. Well, I don't want to, I do go to the gym, but I just want it to happen faster. So that's where we are right now. I'm gonna go to Target to get a board so I can create a vision board for the new year. I just got some stuff sent to me today regarding my business, which I'm really excited about. Just to see everything in person is like, oh my gosh, like it's so exciting. So I'm really excited. Obviously, I'm really excited. And I just can't wait to launch this bad boy into space. I feel like it's gonna be really good. I just have one last thing that I'm kind of nervous about, because it's not that I waited to the last minute, it's just that it's taken so long to get this particular thing solidified, and I'm just like, it's just taking so long, and then like it's just a little kind of a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna get it fixed. I lost my driver's license, so I got to find that. Right now I am driving dirty. So I better like drive actually really good, because I don't want to get pulled over. I don't know what I did with it. As soon as I came back from LA, I don't know where it is, and I know that I put it away somewhere, but I just need to check all throughout my luggage and everything just to make sure that I actually packed it, because if I didn't, I just feel like hopefully I get this situation taken care of and it won't hinder anything. But other than that, everything's pretty good. We had a great Christmas. It was very chill. Wasn't like super, I mean, I think a lot of people just had like a very chill Christmas this year. Wasn't over the top. We really didn't go anywhere except we went to Jermaine's friend's family's house. He actually has a friend that lives here. We went to my parents' house and that was cool. We just really hung out and talked and stuff and ate again. So we ate twice that day, but I just didn't bring my camera, honestly, because like I just felt like, I don't know, I didn't do it. I should have, but I totally forgot to bring it. So it was cool though. It was really chill. Honestly, it was a little bit boring. Not boring, but it was like, I don't know, I feel like you guys probably would have been like, you could have kept that. Honestly. Now I'm just getting ready for my birthday. My birthday is coming up very, very soon. That's about it. Little quick update. Head over to here to get this body contouring situation, and yeah, I will see you guys in a few. My very smart ass misread my time. I was supposed to be here at 11:30 a.m. And it's definitely 1:30, and she looked at me, she's like, you know your appointment's at 11:30, right? I'm like, I wish you would have texted me. Anyway, damn it, that's so annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna probably come tomorrow. I'm just gonna try to find a Target nearby. Looks like it's gonna rain today too. And I don't like to be driving in the rain because that is whack. Okay, I'm gonna go to Target, get my vision board. I'm gonna get some coffee to wake my ass up, and I'm probably gonna get some food. I'm so annoyed. She looked at me, she was like, your appointment was at 11:30. And I'm like, I'm fucking sorry, bro. Like, my brain is everywhere right now. Okay, anyway, bye. It's not what I came for, no. I think there's a Chick-fil-A by here. I just had Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Let me relax. This is why I gained so much damn weight, because I keep eating Chick-fil-A. I need to relax for real, like. I need to relax. And I don't know what I want. Who more confident? Got me feeling ooh. I know that we just met, but I think it's something I'm making. You look in my eyes like nobody tell me how you know what's the yeah. So just got back from Target and I got things that I didn't go in there for. So I think I told you guys I was going in there for a vision board, but I saw Thank you. I saw this cute vase. It was $35. Really cute.
What?
It was $35. It's really cute though. I feel like it'd be cute maybe like on, if I get something for this area right here, this is what I want to put like a entryway kind of design thing here.
Sweet.
I want like kind of like a console right here and then like some decoration right here. So I'm thinking about putting maybe the vase on the console that I want to go right there, but we'll see. But this is really cute. These little kind of like, they're called wall hangers, hand woven wall hangers, but I think there's a name for this. So maybe something like this on the wall. These were, I think they were like 25 bucks each, I think so. I also got this little planner. This is the Every Girl. This is from the brand Every Girl. This particular planner is a career planner, so plan for success, and then it has like career tips, articles, and worksheets. It includes weekly calendars, snap-in bookmarks, storage packets, stickers, and notes. So this little 2021, it's kind of plain. There's another one there that was a 30-day challenge though, so I was like, I don't really want to do that. But this is for 2021, so I'm gonna try to put this to use. Do I even plan for this year? Like, do I plan? Because I'm scared, okay? So I bought these from Target. These are the Threshold vase filler. And see, the vase filler that I wanted was this one, and I saw it there, and I should have just got that one because I don't know if I like this one. This one's kind of plain. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments if you like it or not. I also got some of these like cute little vases, vases from Etsy. I really like this one. This one's one of my favorite. I talked with Dwayne, his brother, his sister that came into town for New Year's and just to hang out with us. How do you feel? How do you feel like you're gonna do?
Now I'm about to, I got my head in the game. I'm gonna be a coach talking.
That's it. The golf clubs are over there. Other than Ryan right here, you're all right-handed.
My head in the game, I'm gonna tap in and tap out. So.
What you want to do is not really in like your arms.
Okay. Okay.
40 G?
Let's see. 15,000. Which with, sorry, 40,000. Jermaine's right under me by 3,000 points.
All right, here we are. Yup. Oh shit. Just the one. Let's get it. They went high in the sky and shit. Just the one though. Yup. A little warm up. For sure. Just the one. Yup. A little warm up. All good. You just warming up. Just the one. Yup. Little warm up.
Why am I messing up, Sylvia?
Yeah, just go wait in the car. We're gonna go eat. Did you expect anything different?
I weighed myself yesterday, guys, and I weigh 128 pounds. I've never weighed 128 pounds in my entire life. So yeah, Jermaine's trying to get me thick.
Look, I'm just trying to. I just eat when I eat, and eat whatever you don't eat.
And he eats whatever I don't eat, so apparently whatever I don't eat is not that much because I've still managed to gain a couple pounds. I just can't believe I weigh that much. I've never weighed over 120 in my 27 years of living.
27 years of what?
It's kind of crazy. But
I just find it funny when all these ladies are like, "Girl, what's your secret? Talk me through your program."
just eating.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Basically. Also, I feel like personally for me, it's been like I haven't been as depressed because before, or like I don't know. I just feel like my mental state is better now, so I eat more. And I don't like let it affect my eating habits, because before I would just like let it affect my eating habits and I wouldn't eat as much. But now I'm happy all the time and I want to eat all the time. So
Nigga, depression didn't stop me from eating no pizza and shit. Nigga. I'm depressed, man. Let me get a fucking cheese pie with anchovies.
I'm the opposite. I can't eat if I'm like sad. I don't eat if I'm sad.
That's a highlight. That's when I black out and just like.
Oh, we need gas.
Ah.
The light is on.
What is the car now? You don't know me. You should probably get gas.
I should really get gas. Got some fried green tomatoes.
You have a smaller
Brandon's excited.
office space.
My shoulder just popped out.
Earrings too?
Hotel, like check-in.
Today we got crab cake Benedict on biscuits with potatoes.
Yeah, same thing. Just sneak this on the potatoes.
I know, they always give us like a random amount of potatoes. Like I got some clothes sent to me from We Wore What, and I got like 4 things. They were all gifted, but I love this little cute receipt holder. I think that's really cute. But this first jacket is the downtown blazer in this like really pretty brick color. I'm sure it has a color name. This is El Cognac. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love this color. And then I got some shorts. I know that it's still wintertime and stuff, but this is like for future reference. I don't have any like just regular shorts. I don't really wear shorts that often, and like now that I'm kind of gaining a little bit more weight, I feel a little bit more confident to wear shorts, honestly. So these are my favorite right here. You see my rug that I have in my beauty room. These are the baby boot cowhide denim and brown, and these are 168, size 25. I'm gonna try them on for you guys just so you guys can see. So these are the pants. I'm in Jermaine's office right now, so excuse the little stuff in the back. I just love this like style of pants. Oh my gosh, so cute. Yeah. And I love how it comes all the way down to my feet. Love the boot cut. Today, me and Jermaine, or tonight I should say, me and Jermaine are going to cook some pasta. I've been having a little bit of heartburn and indigestion, which is kind of weird because I've never really experienced that, but it's very painful. If you have experienced something like that before, it just feels like something right here is just like very, see, I'm burping now, acidic, and it just feels like a burning sensation. We are, today the 4th, we're about 8 days from my birthday, which is really exciting because it's going. I'm turning 28, so I'm excited. I don't know what exactly I'm doing just yet, but I have some plans kind of in the works, so you'll see. I don't know if you guys kind of like this style right now. Do you guys like this? I think this is cute. Might try to do it more often. It's kind of fallen now, but basically what I did was just crimp my hair. So, yeah, we'll see. I don't know. The chef has made it back to the kitchen. Look at this hair, guys. Look at this. Who is this guy?
Come on, man. Y'all seen hair before.
Oh my goodness. I think his hair is longer than mine.
You better watch your back.
I got these containers from Amazon, and they really do keep the veggies and whatever I guess you would put in here fresh. We don't really have to worry about things going bad super fast. Usually our vegetables kind of last a long time, so that's really good. I'm gonna link them down in my description. Some chicken going, we got our pasta going, we got Jermaine going. Peeled all the shrimp, so he's going to season that. And we're done. Look at this. Oh, thanks, babe. So good, so good, so good, so good.